Coming up on APEX TV 360, attendees are gearing up for the leading event in the automotive aftermarket industry. We'll have more on the new features and expansions coming up to Repair Shop HQ, plus all the information you need to enhance your expo experience. Welcome back to APEX TV 360. I'm Allison Godlove. Let's start by taking a look back at some of the highlights from APEX 2021. There are so many new and exciting things attendees have to look forward to at APEX 2022. Joining me now is Paul McCarthy, President and CEO of AASA, and Bill Hanby, President and CEO of the Auto Care Association.
Paul and I are so excited to have the industry back live, and the excitement is building continually since our hiatus in 2020. It really seems that everyone's really excited to come back.
I mean, it was wonderful to be back in person in 2021. People said they had great meetings, but the relief that we're seeing from folks is we're able to get back together, this normal again. People are so excited to get together, see each other, be together.
This year, Joe's Garage is expanding. The simulated auto shop opened last year to rave reviews, and demand has been growing ever since. Gentlemen, can you tell us more about this exciting new expansion?
Well, Joe's Garage is expanding to include 10 bays this year. And what's so unique about that is that we actually, as you well know, we built the bays and the infrastructure into the sands itself, so that we have proper ventilation, we have the real lifts that we can put in there, and it's just going to be a really nice experience for the technicians and the shop owners for us to be able to provide training, hands-on experience, product demonstrations.
As a car geek, Joe's Garage was so cool to actually have the lifts, be able to work on this stuff, and you saw the excitement around it in 2021. I can't imagine what it'll be this year.
Right.
And there was more demand than ever. We had more demand than we had bays, so it's going to be really cool.
It's truly an experience attendees cannot get anywhere else. A new transmission supplier section will also join other dedicated areas in Repair Shop HQ to provide the latest and greatest in technology and updates to the service and repair community. Online registration for APEX 2022 will open soon. You can sign up to receive important notifications and reminders at apexshow.com.
I think APEX is a good event for the Aftermarket Association, and I just feel like it's really the place to be if you want to know about the aftermarket and what's going on.
I'm able to get out of the house and meet with all my friends, see suppliers, see customers. It is where the industry comes together.
APEX 2022 will be held at the Venetian Expo and Caesars Forum Conference Center. Don't forget to book your stay in advance. APEX 2022 is partnering with On Peak to provide you with a selection of top-rate Las Vegas hotels to make your stay in the city as comfortable as possible. Book now to secure the best hotels for the best prices. Plus, new year, new hashtag. Start building the hype for your APEX experience on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn with the hashtag APEX22. That does it for this episode of APEX TV 360. We'll see you right back here next month.